Hi, 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 hi. Hello, 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 hello. Habibi, my friend. We are this Hardware TV, and we are here to make you know all your hardware tips and give you more vibe about power tools and other stuff. So keep watching to our YouTube channel, keep subscribing, share this video to your friends and family, and give us a good comment to give you more better content. Big ups.
Yo, what's up, my people? Today I'm here for the drill lovers, those people who are interested in drilling, who always use their drill bits in the house, in the website, any place. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a cordless drill. Okay, it's very simple to use and very good when you are using them because they are easy to use them, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you this drill. It's 18-volt drill. Very simple to use and very good, right? I will advise you, each and every young guy supposed to get one drill in the house. So that if you are doing your drilling, you are doing fixing anything in the house, anything. Because everybody is responsible to be a DIY. Okay? Everybody is responsible to be a DIY. Do your DIY stuff in the home. Don't go and hire any person. Some of them comes and mess up. Just try to learn how to fix your basic things in the house. It's very easy. Now you in a low cost, you can get a better drill and keep it in the house. But I would advise you also, if you are going for it, you better go for the strong one, which is the 18 volt. We have 12 volt, we have 3 volt, we have 24 volt. It goes and goes up. It depends the capacity of the battery. This drill I'm using is 2.0H AH, which is very strong. It's not bad. It can do anything. It can do concrete drilling, it can do screw driving, it can do everything. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your drill, how to put your drill bit inside, okay, inside your tips, okay. So as I introduced this to you, to the suitable position before I'll fix my bait, okay. Just tight it properly. As you can hear the sound, it's really tight properly. So this one we are drilling, we are using a drill bit. So you need to switch drill bit, okay. So let's go. Very smooth and very easy, okay. So now we are going to reverse it back. As I told you in my previous video, the reverse bottom of the electric one is at the top here. This one, you will just switch this black, as you can see it here, you will just switch it. So I'm going to switch it. You just push it back, and that's the reverse. Simple. Let's do some scrolling, okay. Let's do some scrolling with the same thing. So this is my bit. As you can see, I will just set my bit and tight it. Make sure it's properly tight, okay. So we are come to do scrolling, okay. So this is my screw, and I'm going to screw inside this wood. We'll change this way. always make sure the type of head you are using is the right thing. Okay, make sure the bit that you are using goes direct to the head of the screw. Okay, so now it's on reverse, so we are coming to forward it. Okay, as you can see, it's done. But you see, we have a problem here. This bit was not properly tight. You got me? And the functions, we did not function it. We did not put it at the right place. The arrow is at the drill press. Okay. So as we are doing screwing, we need to set to this screwing section. Okay. So we are going to start again. You tight it properly, then you just rotate this edge. Okay, just rotate it to the screwing. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I'm going to reverse it. It's reverse back, right? So let's go. I'm going to forward it. It's done. Okay,